Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter account for those of you who don't already have one so that you can begin on your projects that will be due in a few weeks. What you're going to do with your projects is you're going to tweet like you live in 17th or 18th century colonial America. So for those of you who don't have a Twitter, I'm going to show you how to create one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to twitter.com. You're going to click sign up in the top right corner. I already have my information in here. You put your full name, and you have the option of either putting your phone number or your email. And in this case, I'm going to use my phone number. So I have my phone number in, and then I'm going to create a password real fast. And once you do those things, you're going to click sign up. And then if you use the number, it's going to send you a verification code. And like I said, you don't need to use your number. You can use an email if you want to. So I'm going to type in the verification code that it sent me. I'm going to click verify. And it's going to ask you for your email, but I don't want to do this, so I'm going to push skip because I don't want to do my email this part. So now I'm going to choose a username. It'll give you suggestions down here of things to use. And so since I don't want to come up with one, I'm going to go ahead and just use this first one that it gives me. I'm going to click next. It's going to give you this, and you're going to say let's go. You're going to let them know that you're ready to go. And it's going to ask you what you're interested in. So I'm just going to say mention popular accounts, sports, music, entertainment, whatever. You can click whatever you want, and then you're going to click continue. Then it's going to give you suggestions of people to follow. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow all 40 and continue. It's going to ask you to upload a picture, which I'm not going to do, so I'm going to push skip this step for now. And it's going to say find people you know through these different accounts you can use, and I'm also going to push skip this step as well. You don't have to skip it. You can do that if you want, but for right now, that's what I'm doing. And then it's going to give me other people I want to follow, possibly want to follow. I guess I'll just follow all these people, and I'll follow 20 and continue. It said hang on a second while we set it up, and then there you go, it's set up. So what you're going to want to do to tweet like you're in colonial America, what I want you to do is, so let's just come up with something real fast. Instead of saying hi, how are you, I'm going to say how do you fare? Question mark. And so that I can see all of your tweets, what I want you to do is tweet it with the hashtag TMC Colonial America. And you're tweeting this hashtag so that I can search that hashtag later on, a few weeks down the road, and I can see all of your tweets. So what I'm going to do now that I tweeted that, I'm going to push tweet. And then I can search that tweet, and people using that hashtag will come up. And that'll come up so that I can look at those later. And what I want you guys to do is I want you to tweet 5 times using 5 different tweets. I want them to be different. I want them to be different from each other. And you're going to talk like you lived in 17th or 18th century colonial America. So there's how you create your Twitter and get that all set up. It's fast and it's easy. And like I said, if you already have a Twitter account, you don't need to do this. And if you want to set up a new Twitter, you can do that as well. But just make sure you have this done, and this will be due a few weeks down the road, and I'll let you know when it is officially due in class. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.